What's the meaning of Appalachia? Appalachia. Appalachia.
Appalachia. Appalachia. Appalachia is a region in the eastern United States that spans multiple states including parts of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and Kentucky. It is known for its rugged terrain and rich cultural history. The name Appalachia comes from the Appalachian Mountains, which run through the region. Historically, Appalachia has faced economic challenges and poverty, but has also produced notable contributions to American music, literature, and art. The region continues to face both opportunities and obstacles as it moves forward in the 21st century.